Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. Your dreams were your ticket out. Welcome back. Hey, name that TV show. So, I just sharpened the original blade in my 5.5, which is a sweetheart blade. Now, I discovered something while flattening it, and I believe this blade is a laminated steel blade, meaning it has a hard steel surface on the cutting edge and a softer steel for the rest of the blade. Now, sadly, and I'll have to get my magnification lens to verify this, but I think it has a crack in it about 3/4 of an inch or so away from the cutting edge. It does not seem to be affecting sharpening or performance. Now, that wasn't the main reason for the video. The reason for this video was the topic of testing yourself. Just like we test our tools. I want all of my tools to perform similarly. Meaning when I set it for one of the finest cuts that it can take, I want those cuts to be similar. The same would be nice, but at least similar. And the same goes for us. We should test ourselves constantly or challenge ourselves constantly so that the things we do will give us the same or similar results. So, what do you think about that? I'm pretty sure musicians in a philharmonic do not sit at home and do nothing a week before a concert. I'm sure they're testing their knowledge of the music, testing their instrument, and testing their abilities to play that music. It's called practice. Practice, practice, practice. Okay? If you cannot get similar performance out of all of your tools, it is either your lack of practice from sharpening to setting up the plane and to selecting your wood. Now, if I continue to plane with the 5.5, I will continue to have a nice long straight board. If I were to plane with my number 5 only, it will change the straightness of the board. If I were to plane only with my number 4, it would change. See, it skipped right there. I don't think I have this quite lined up right. Let me check the lateral. That's another reason you keep a brush handy. Get rid of sawdust so you can see where your cutting edge is. Lateral was off slightly. So I hope you found something useful in what I was saying about testing yourself, because you got to stay sharp. That's why so many people that I knew growing up would do crossword puzzles and jumbles and other types of games that they would get out of magazines or from the newspaper. Keep their mental acuity sharp. You see how this is now skipping after using the shorter planes. There we go. Thanks for stopping by. Means a lot to me. And we're slowly zooming towards 7,000 subscribers. I like that. Give it the old thumbs up. Like, subscribe, and share, and head out to your workshop. Go test yourself. Ooh, this stuff is so soft and fluffy. Walter out.